Alright guys, thank you Nadula for sending us this wig. Let's see what inside because I'm super excited. We have some goodies, lashes, edge band, a brush, and wig cap that says Nadula here. We have the wig right here. It's 13 by 4 lace wig. It has color in it, so we're gonna go in and see. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all see that? The wig is well secure, like it should be. Let's take it out. Oh my lord, I love this already. Has a band, adjustable band, a comb in the back, 2 combs on the side, and it's a breathable cap as well. So I love it. It's beautiful. It also has the middle part. It's pre-bleached, so we don't have that to worry about. But just check out this color, the highlights in it. It's so pretty. It's a jerry curl wig. Everything will be in the description. I absolutely love this. I cannot wait to install it. Seems like it's gonna be snug on the head. Also, I'm not gonna go in and pluck it because it's already pre-bleached. So we're just gonna install it just as is. And I promise it's gonna look so cute. So this is how it looks. If you guys like highlights, this is a perfect wig for you. And we're gonna do something a little bit different. So let's go ahead and install this. Check out the lace. All right guys, let's do a install with this beautiful wig from Nadula. Super excited. Okay, first thing first, let me cut this part off because we don't need this. We're gonna cut off. And is adjustable, so you can go ahead. Oh my god, I already love this. Let me cut some of this lace off because our makeup is done. It's breathable, like I said, so it's easy to pull it down. This wig is perfect for a glueless method, so if you guys are into that, you can go ahead and do it. It's super snug. Look at that. Y'all see that? Anyway, we're gonna install this as is because the curls feel so nice. We're gonna do a easy. Let's use the Evan spray. Alright guys, I have an idea of how I'm gonna style this wig. Because it has the highlights, I'm thinking to, what did I do? Let me show you. I feel like I don't want to wear it down. It's the summertime. I want a little flair to it. So because we have highlights in areas that I'm thinking about doing it, we're gonna do a leave out right here. And then I'm gonna do one over here. Right? Then let's look and see if we have any leave out in the front. So we could add some highlight as well. I low-key like this, y'all. So I feel like I want to do something like this. We're gonna add the leave outs. We're gonna cut them. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Wig number 2. I'm kidding, y'all. Okay, so what I did, we took some out at the back and we kind of razor cut it down so it looks natural. You don't need a 360 wig to do this, okay? So I really do like it. If you want to pin that up, you can as well. We took some out, the highlighted areas out. The wig, I did not do nothing to this and I absolutely love it. So yeah, what do you guys think? Thank you, Nadula. I really do appreciate this wig and I love it. I love that it has the highlight. It is beautiful, y'all. So this is it. You can do it however you want, and this is how I'm doing mine, you know. So thank you. Let's get into this slow-mo. Make sure you check the description. All the details will be down there, okay?